I introduce to you the obVus Solutions Minder laptop tower. Here we go. So now it is now holding my laptop. And if you're wondering what this is down here, this is actually a little phone stand. So if I could actually pick this up and kick this back. This is also a little dual stand here. So if I take my iPhone, for example, and then obviously I could bend this up a little bit. I would suggest doing this without the laptop on, just for safety purposes, so that you're not like pushing on the laptop, but you could bend this up a little bit, and then you have an even greater angle. So for whatever reason you wanted it like that, I can't even fit it. That's how awesome it is. I can't even fit it here in in the stream, in the frame, because it's completely customizable. That's something obVus took into consideration here, rubberization, to keep things in place where you want them to be. I'm literally, that's how powerful this is. I'm literally shaking my entire desk here in the studio. This thing is not moving. obVus Solutions, one thing I do want to say about this company is that they are soon going to be bringing all their production over to the US. That is the plan, so I always commend that. I love production taking place here in the US, so that is in the future plans for obVus. You just pop it open, and there you go. There's little rubberized feet on the bottom here that are gonna allow it to stay in place. So as you're typing, this is not gonna move around, and of course you do have your nice little trackpad over here that you could utilize. So this is the Magic Keyboard from Apple. Look at that. It is literally the exact same size, and then of course you do have the touchpad edition over here. My Apple Magic Keyboard is sliding, if you notice that, more than the obVus keyboard here, the Minder keyboard. But funny thing is, I think my iPhone is actually heavier than the keyboard itself, which is wild. The fact that you have a full-size keyboard and actually could weigh less than an actual iPhone.